Hi there, it's a bit dark here, I do apologise. I'm sitting in my van, it's tea time, just a way to do a quick, I've got some pasta, some hot dog sausages, some cheese and a wee jar of sauce. Just going to rustle this up for myself and my daughter today. It should be fairly simple to cook, as I just thought, you know what, while I'm sitting here I'll do another wee video. So I'll get everything together and then I'll take a couple of photos. So first of all, what I've got to do is obviously I've got to light this cooker. So we'll get this here. I'll put some, this is just that pre-boiled like pasta, well part boiled. So we'll just pop that in there. It is ham and cheese today. So we'll pop that in there. I've got my water in a bottle because we're in the midst of winter, and to prevent my water pump and that freezing up, I've emptied the van of water at the moment and just using sort of bottled water from my house. But it'll work just the same. So we'll get the pasta all in the water. This is taking longer than I thought. Okay, that's perfect. And then I'll just clean in here. Have to turn on the gas. I never leave the gas turned on all the time. I just turn it on when I'm using it. So we'll get that going there. And give the cooker a wee light. It's just a case of putting this on to boil now. Okay. What I've got in the other pan, I'll just light this first. I've got some sliced up hot dogs, so I'm just going to fry these off. And what I find is perfect for in the van is the wee fry light spray. And it's good for you as well, but you just give that a couple of wee sprays. And then you can fry off your hot dogs, and they just get mixed up in the pasta once it's boiled. Okay. This the pasta all boiled up, so all I need to do now, so I fried the hot dog, so you just put that into the pasta there, and you give that a wee stir through. You add your sauce. I'm just using a jar of sauce, it's so much easier in the van. So I'll just pour that in. I'll give it a good mix. Bring it to a simmer, heat it up. And it's as simple as that, it's just a case of dishing up from there. So this is how it looks in the pan, just starting to simmer and heat up. So it's nearly done. So here it is served up. What I also like to do with this dish is, as you can see, I just get a bit of grated cheese. I just sprinkle it over the top. And that's it. No, it's perfection. It's taken me about maybe less than 15 minutes to make this. So yeah, it's ideal for a quick tea. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.